It's week 14 of actually going outside in 2026, and I'm at the Pinawa Dam Provincial Park. Turns out the park's not officially open today, so everyone's just parking out on the road. I was planning on going for a walk down a section of the Trans-Canada Trail that starts from just over there, but turns out that the trail isn't really there in the winter. That's the trail. So that's not looking like a very good option. So I decided not to do that and instead just wandered around the dam and managed to spend an hour and 40 minutes doing that. So my ability to just faff about, look at trees and water and rocks prevails once again. I don't need to drive anywhere else. I managed to spend an adequate amount of time just exploring around here. Definitely didn't cover much distance, but fitness isn't the goal here, so it is what it is. I've never been here in the winter before. It's pretty cool. You definitely have to be careful around the rocks because all the big cracks in the rocks are covered up by snow. And yeah, you could definitely twist an ankle or something, but I stayed on the well-packed parts. Check out the wall of ice down there. I like the bubbles under the thin layer of ice there. The weather's absolutely beautiful today. It was supposed to be around 4 degrees and cloudy, and instead it's 9 or 10 degrees and sunny. So I really enjoyed the weather, getting some fresh air, and listening to the water roaring over the rocks. All right, let's see how we did. I'm not sure if the camera's picking this up, but I did manage to spend 2 hours outside today, even though my plan was foiled pretty much immediately. So, not bad. All right, see you next week. It's week 14 of actually going outside in 2026, and that was a much slower slide than I anticipated.